One, two, three. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. I know I'm doing the most. Happy Monday. This is March 17th. Monday, March 17th. Good morning. Thank you for stopping by. Briefly, I don't know if this is gonna be the main part of the video, but briefly, I just wanted to share with you a few things that I received from Shein, and hopefully you like them and you go and get you some. This is no sponsored video because you guys know I'm not yet there. So yeah, I just wanted to be nice and show you guys my fam, my YouTube fam, what I got from YouTube from Shein. Alright guys, as I mentioned before, I have a few items from Shein that I just received, right? This is the bag right there I just received, and I was like, let me share with you guys what I've got. What I've got. What I've got. I love buying from Shein. Oh, these are reading glasses. I love buying from Shein. It's just like receiving Christmas a Christmas gift, right? Oh, reading glasses. Oh my, this is a little bit strong. This is cute though. What do you think? The package, it came in a set of 3. We have one yellow, this color, and a pink color. Let me try. You know, I am at that stage of life where this is pretty strong. Oh my, oh, this is pretty strong. This is pretty strong, but I like the way they fit though. Wow, isn't that nice? It had 3 of them together. Yellow, pink, and red. Alright, that's that. Alrighty. I purchased a few bags, accessories. They are a few bags chain, like they look like this one. This is the core piece you put on the bag. You know, this bag is smaller, so I have this. It looks good. I think it looks good. This is my summer bag. This looks good. All right, that, and also I got, you know, the scarf that goes on the handle of the bag. I bought that. I think I bought more, but this one is a simple one, silk like material. Okay, wrap it around the handle and then make it look nice and sophisticated, you know. So this is my scarf for my bag, and this is my my pearl, you know, faux pearls for the bag. Okay, you get the drift. So let's get to the next item. Now, next item, I got me some eyebrow trimmers. I use those. And then I got me, I'm just selecting these things randomly, and then I got me this is a bracelet, okay? Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. I like these glasses on my face though. Yeah. See that right here? No? It's pretty thin. It's a different color gold than this one. This one I got from Amazon, but this is a different color gold. Alright? It's okay. It's from Shein. What did you expect? Right? A headband, a black headband, faux leather headband. Huh. Okay. this when my hair is back. Looks nice. Another bag charm. Let's get it out of the packaging so you guys can see. I don't want to waste the time. This looks like the flower. Oh, it's only 3. I guess you just have to hang it like that. If you know what this looks like. You know what it looks like. What this is a copy of. If you know, you know. So I guess I'm just gonna hang it on the side of the bell, on the side of the bag, right? So that's that. I purchased some necklaces. This is one of. I purchased a few. This is one of them. Okay, let me get it out of there for you. I'll let you know if the quality is the best. Oh, this is one. It doesn't come with any earrings, so this is that. It looks good though on camera. See that? That's the back. That's the front. So I would wear it like so, with a nice open or spaghetti strap dress, summer dress, spring dress. Not with this one though, but you know, like this. I wanted something like that. So now this is how it looks on the jewelry holder, right? And then you place it like so. Okay, that's that for now. I love this glass. Oh, I purchased a watch though. Let's see if it works. How much was that? I remember, looks like this. I remember this watch was for less than $5. Okay, less than $5. So let me see how it works. Okay, let me see. I will come back. All right, guys. Surprisingly, it's working. The only thing is not the chain. The handle is too big for me. I'm gonna have to adjust that. I'm gonna ask my husband, but I like the fit. It's you know, I have a small wrist. It fits perfectly when you're looking at the screen where you read the time. I like that. It's not too big. It's not too overwhelming for my small wrist. Okay, since I have a small wrist, it looks good like that. But I don't like when it's, you know, it's not adjusted. I'm gonna ask my husband if he could fix that for me. Right? Next item. Almost this haul, I mean, this video is almost, what is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is a t-shirt dress. It says Milano, Italy. Milano, Italy. I don't know if I'm gonna try this one on for you guys. I think this dress was for what, $8. So I could use in the house for spring and summer. That's that. Oh, oops. Okay, this one. Oh, what happened? Oh, this is. Okay, this is what I purchased. It has earrings, a set of earrings, right? This is the model right there. It has a ring. That's the ring, and then the chain like this. All right, that's that. You know, it's very lightweight. It's very lightweight. I like it. Let me see if the ring fits. It's okay. It's adjustable. You can adjust the sizing here. Adjustable. Of course, my nails are not done. But And like, yes, the resistance, which I have, it's a dress, it's a red dress. I hope I'm not disappointed. It's a red dress. I don't have, oh, it has whooshing. I'm gonna try to
What's whooshing?
Try it on. I'm gonna try it on so you guys get the full effect of how the dress look. Okay guys, I put on the dress, right? But you know the Shein model, when you see the dress on them and you think it's gonna look the same on you, that's okay.
This is what it looks. This is what.
That's okay. But I'm gonna make it work for what it is on my body. Another thing, the color, the way the color shows up on the website,
So it's more redder.
Yeah, the red is more vibrant. It's not the same as it is in person. You may not have the same.
It looks like pinkish.
Yeah, it looks like pinkish. Yeah. Like my daughter said to me, "Mommy, you don't have the curves." That's okay. I said, "Honey, I have the curves in the wrong places." I don't know why yes, like my daughter said to me, "Mommy, you don't have the curves as the model has the curve," but that's okay. I have the curve that I have in the wrong places, right? So I gave birth to her. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it work. You know, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work for my body. Here it is. Don't look at those messes back there, okay? Alrighty, yes. So, that's the dress. So that's the end of this portion of this video, and I'll see you next time. Alright guys, that wasn't the end of the video. I forgot the things that I purchased. I have another bangle. I have another bangle that I purchased. If you know, you know what this looks like. I thought my red dress was the last item to show you guys. I didn't check my bag. My daughter's checking the order online, says, "Mommy, where's such and such?" I'm like, oh. This is that. If you know, you know what this looks like. How does it open? We'll figure this out, but anyway, this is that.
And then we have a strawberry keychain.
No, that's not a keychain, honey. That's a the light. Hold on. That's a.
What is it?
That's a bag charm.
Oh yeah.
That's a bag charm. Yes, I have my daughter here trying to help me, guys. That's
so cute.
Oh yeah, that is cute. Look at that. I have the cherries, the 2 cherries bag charms. So I'm like, let me get those. Let me get this one. Honey, you cannot have it. You're just gonna break it in 2 days. See, it's so cute for the summer. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. All right, so now yes, this is another bag charm. The reason I got so many, it's not that a lot. So it's because they were, you know, $1, $2. If you go on Amazon, these things are really like maybe $5 or $10. In this one, you have the lipstick, the little purse, the lips, and you have a tag and also sunglasses. Pretty cool. You have this on the back, you have this on your bag, and then you have that, and plus you have I have this chain right here, which is a dupe for you know what. Okay, you know what this is. Alrighty, and then this also is a dupe for you know what. I have another one that I purchased a long time ago from Amazon, and I just wanted to have, oops, I opened it. I just wanted to add another one to the collection, to my arm candy. Don't I love when you stack up these bangles and bracelet all together? I love that. I love the feeling, right? The one that I thought I had before. This one is a necklace with The earrings.
No rings. There's no rings.
This, no.
Oh.
This one has no ring. No ring. Just the necklace and then the earrings. So let's see. I'll come back. I'm back. So this is how it looks like. Of course, I'm not gonna wear it with this dress, of course, but this is it. Yes, thank you, darling. It looks nice.
Christmas.
And then the earring. I'm not gonna wait for Christmas for that. And the earring, and then my bangle, my arm candies, everything. Well, this
Candies.
arm candies. I wanna, yes, this one on his one, and then this one on this one. This arm candy. All right, and then my two earrings. Looks very nice. And that's it for now. No, this is it. Okay, the bag is empty. This is it. One last item. You know, I have a lot. So as I was saying, this is a foundation brush from Shein. I believe this one was $2 or $1 or something, so I purchased. It looks good, pretty sturdy. So, and I believe that's it for this portion of this video. I will be back on your screen later on or next week. Thank you for stopping by.